Welcome. Today, we are going to learn about a fun and simple word. Chillax. Let's dive in. So, what does chillax mean? It's easy. Chillax means to relax and be calm. It's a fun mix of two words, chill and relax. Simple, right? Where do people use this word? Well, at home after a long day, hanging out with friends, or on vacation and weekends. Anytime you want to feel peaceful and happy. How do you say it? Just say, chillax. It sounds friendly and cool. Try it yourself. Why do people love this word? Because it's easy to say, it's fun, and it makes people smile. Plus, it helps everyone feel calm and stress-free. The feeling of chillax is amazing. It's calm, happy, and totally stress-free. Just take it easy and chillax. Want to chillax yourself? Listen to music you love. Take a deep breath. Favorite show. Or spend time outside in nature. It's that simple. People also use chillax in texts and chats. Like saying, let's chillax today. It shows a casual, friendly tone that everyone loves. Chillax is popular around the world, especially in the USA, UK, and Australia. Young people use it all the time to spread good vibes. Let's remember, chillax equals relax plus chill. Use it when you want to feel calm and happy. It's easy, fun, and super friendly. Thanks so much for watching. Now go chillax and enjoy your beautiful day. See you next time.